In this video, I will show you how to limit YouTube usage on an iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down through the list and find the Screen Time section. Open it. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. Then tap on App Limits. Here, tap the Add Limit button. Enter your passcode if you have one set. On the screen that appears, expand the Entertainment section and select the YouTube app. You can also set an additional limit for the YouTube website. To do this, collapse the Entertainment section. Scroll down and expand the Websites section. A list of websites will be displayed. Scroll to the bottom and tap the Add Website button. Enter the website name, in this case, youtube.com. Confirm the entry and tap the Next button in the top right corner. On the next screen, select the desired time limit. You can also configure specific days if you wish. Then tap the Apply button in the top right corner. The limit will be successfully added. Thank you for watching.